Hi, and welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and in this video, I'll guide you through setting up broadcast monitoring alerts in Propel. Broadcast monitoring helps you track mentions across TV and radio markets, so you stay updated on your brand or your client's media coverage. Let's get started. First, log into your Propel account. Once you're in, head over to the top navigation bar and click on the Monitor tab. Select your account and the alert for which you'd like to set up a broadcast alert. Then, click on the Broadcast tab. Then click Create Broadcast Monitoring Alert. Alternatively, you can also create a new alert by clicking the plus icon. This will open up the alert setup page. Now, give your alert a name by filling in the Alert Name field. After that, select the account that you want to attach the alert to. In the Markets section, you'll be able to see the markets which your account has access to. If you have access to more than one market, please select the markets you'd like to track. Now, in the Query field, enter the keywords or topics you'd like to track. You can also use Boolean operators to refine your search, ensuring you catch the most relevant mentions. On the right, you can see a quick guide on how to use the Boolean operators correctly. You can click the link in the description to watch the tutorial on how to set up your query correctly, or you can reach out to support anytime you need help with setting up your query. Once you've configured everything, click Save to save and continue editing or Save and Finish to activate your broadcast monitoring alert. Please keep in mind that unlike online and print monitoring, broadcast monitoring will start tracking mentions from the day the alert has been set up. And that's it. You've now set up your broadcast monitoring alert in Propel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to check out our other videos or reach out to our support team. And we'll see you in the next video.